These roads, they just don't bridge the divide between two locations. They pave the way for dreams and shape them into reality. Ever since the beginning, the vision to explore, innovate, and lead the way has been the philosophy of RKC Infrabuild. A philosophy that has set off many milestones and benchmarks in the highway sector, with introduction of three-stage crushing in Gujarat as early as 2000, construction of green highways, introduction of heavy machineries for pavement recycling, introduction of 3D paving. RKC Infrabuild also takes pride in having a few zeros to its name. Zero default history in project completion. Zero default history during defect liability period. Zero default history in bank repayments. And zero incidents of arbitration or litigation till date. The company has an excellent track record of completing more than 5,000 lane-kilometer highway projects and has been awarded bonus for before-time completion for most of the projects. This year, RKC Infrabuild has added a new feather to its cap with early completion of 6-laning of Tarapur-Vasad Highway. This 48-kilometer road is an important link between Saurashtra and South Gujarat. Construction of this state-of-the-art 6-lane highway includes 3 railway overbridges, 24 underpasses, 38-kilometer service roads, 19-kilometer highway lighting, and 1.30 lakh square meter RE walls. The project also boasts a state-of-the-art automated traffic management system, ATMS, that includes a 24-hour round-the-clock dedicated central command and control center, CCTV surveillance and incident detection cameras, a robust emergency response team and infrastructure, variable sign display to alert drivers and manage traffic efficiently. The tradition of quality and innovation in every project is reflected in this project by way of joint-less paving of up to 13 meters from base layers in construction of this highway. Large-scale use of polymer-modified bitumen in the top layer of asphalt in this highway. Having made its mark in the highway sector, it has now embarked into construction of expressways, jetties, seawall and beachfronts, and aims to set newer benchmarks in the infrastructure sector. RKC Infrabuild Private Limited. Engineering excellence.